Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to on Find My device in our Motorola phone. Guys, you want to on Find My device in Motorola phone, so guys you can on it. And guys, now let's see how to on Find My device in Motorola phone. So friends, first of all open your phone setting to on your Find My device. Then guys scroll it. The security setting guys, tap here Find My device. Find My device will on ways to use your Find My device. So guys, you can track your phone, but guys your Find My device is on. Suppose guys you have lost your phone and guys someone has snatched your phone, so you can track your phone, but guys your Find My device is on, then guys you can track, otherwise not. So I hope friends you have understood how to on Find My device in Motorola phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.